Hello everyone, my name is Oluwatoyin. I'm the creative director of Active Fashion. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cut a cowl neck, cowl bubu gown. It has a drop shoulder. That's one shoulder is dropped down. So if you are new to the channel, please kindly subscribe. There are a lot of amazing content on this channel that you will love. And whenever you watch a video, please give it a thumbs up to enable others that will find it helpful to subscribe to the channel. This is the fabric I'll be using for this tutorial. It's 4 yards. The fabric is 4 yards. So I'll be folding it. I'll be folding it like this, so that way I'll be able to cut the front and the back at the same time. So I'll keep it on fold like this and then check the length. The length I'm working with is 58. Plus seam allowance will be 60 inches. So I have 60 inches in length. I'm going to fold it. Okay. So I'll put my shoulder measurements. Shoulder is 8. The length of the sleeve will be 20. That's shoulder plus 15. You want to stop at 15. So make it to be 15 inches. Plus 1 is seam allowance. So all through I have 24. Then I'll determine how low I want the sleeve to be. The wideness of the hand, I'll be using 10.
So you're using the yard?
Now I'm going to mark the waist is 7.5, 17.5. Then the hip is 26.5. The knee is 39.5, and then the full length 60. I have the full length at 60. So you're going to put the measurement. Alright, so I've drawn straight line using that my measurements. Now what I'm going to do is like this hand, like I said, I will have to bring it to like 12 inches. Okay, so the same 24 that I have here, I'm going to mark 23. So here I had 20. So instead of using 24, I'm going to use reduce it by 1. I'm going to use 23. Right? So I'll keep 23 here. So you're going to go in by 1 inch basically. And then you draw the line here. Connect it like this. So instead of a straight line. Right. So right here I'm going to use the waist measurement is 32. Divide by 4. I'll use 32. 8. So our hip is 40. So basically I'm going to be putting the hip measurement all through. Our hip is 40, that is 10 plus just like 5 inches. So it's what I have here, 15. It's what I'm going to take down. Now this knee point is very important. You just want to take it down from the straight down. Normally we are doing this 12 that I have here, I'm going to draw it. I have a straight line. Now we know that my line ought to be like this. I'm supposed to cut the line like this, but because of this thing I want to do, I'm going to be drawing the beads like this. So I don't curve it like this to the hand area. I'll make sure that I notch here. You see the way I curve it. So that air will curve it. This is the line. I'm bringing it closer so that you can see. Alright, so here is this line is the waist. This line here is the waist. This is the hip. This line here is the hip. And then this is the knee. Now I took what I have on the length of my hand and I took it down like this, then curve it to the knee point like this. You can see that it's curved. Alright, I did not curve it here. Normally when you are drawing a normal bubu gown, you just bring a curve here right here, but I didn't do that because we want to achieve a cowl effect. So that's why I did it like that. Alright. Okay, so this area now is a midpoint. I'm going to mark it like this. I've cut it down so that I brought it to the table so that we'll be able to see it well. Now this is the shoulder that I measured before, which is 18 inches. So I have my front and back, but for me to cut that neckline, I'm just going to be opening it up. Like this. Alright. You can see that it's important that I chalk this one, the middle point. sorry, you cannot see the this thing well. This is the middle point. When I folded it, this is the middle point. So I want it to be on this area. Okay, so what you are going to do is I want the drop shoulder to be here. So here now I'm going to, at this point I'll mark 3.5. Here I'll mark 3.5. Then I'll go down at that middle point by 4 inches. This middle point I'm going to go down by 4 inches. Then here I'll mark 9 inches. You can also make it 8.5 or 8, as depending on how wide you want it to be. So I'm just going to draw a curved line using my free hand, just to draw a curve. So I'll draw a curve to the 9 inches like this. Hope you are seeing it well. Sorry, the chalk may not be showing well. So I marked 3.5 inches here. I went down by 4 inches at the midpoint, and then I took 8.5. That's from the midpoint to the left side, 8.5. So you're going to just draw a free hand curve to that point. So you're going to cut it out. So it means that we have the neck depth of 4 inches and the neck wideness of 3.5 at one point and 8.5 at another point. So this is it. So this is it. I will as well decide to notch here, which is the demarcation between my front and back. I also notch here, which is the demarcation between my front and back. And then we are done. In case you want to do any design on the clothes, you may as well decide to mark the middle point so that you know which part is the middle of your dress. Okay, you can also notch it like this to show that this is the middle of the dress. Alright, so I'm just going to pipe it round with fabric bias. I'm just going to cut a piece and use it to turn it, and then I'll sew the side. I'll turn it down. I'm going to hem it down and sew the side. Then the hand, I'm going to be putting a band of like 2 inches for the hand. So I'll gather it a bit and put a band of 2 inches. Okay, so for the neckline, I just cut a strip of 1.5 inch. I'll be using it to run it. I'll run from the front to the back. I'll use it to turn it. Then okay, so this is the band that I'm using for the sleeve. I've sewn for one of the sleeves, and here it is. You can see that I gathered it around it. Okay, so the way I did it is that this is the part that I notched when I was cutting for the 2 sleeves. That's the sleeve length where I notched. So this is the midpoint of the sleeve. Okay, so I've also notched the midpoint of this band, just like normal way that you gather sleeve. Okay, so I'm just going to place the midpoint together like this and pin it. Okay, then I'll make sure that I drag it to this point, the notched part, and then I'll gather here to this point and do the same thing for the other side. Drag it to the notched part and gather it around the sleeve. So I'm gathering it this is it. Now all you have to do is you're just going to hold it. This is sleeve part, and sew down. That's from this sleeve area. You're going to sew down to the hem. I've also folded the down, that's I have hemmed it down. So I'm just going to sew with 1 inch. You're going to sew it straight down. Okay, so guys, this is the outcome of our Cowl Bubu gown. It has a drop shoulder in one side and it's so beautiful. I made it for someone actually. She has tested it and she really loves it. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.